This is the suite where we stayed on our trip to our staycation when we were in Ajmer. So there's this like common seating area out here.
This floor is exclusively for suites.
Yeah, this floor only has 3 suites on it.
We're thinking if there's a bridal party here, they can have like this can they get here.
Yeah, they can have, when the boys side and the girls side want to be in the same room, they have like this cute little dining area and the seating area.
Now we'll be going towards our suite.
Okay, so we were in 4001, which is this one. And it's extremely roomy and spacious. This is where we kept our masks and keys and stuff. And there's a little powder room here, which is useful if you have multiple people staying here. I mean, for the 2 of us, it was a little excessive, but for more people I can see, it would be super useful. Okay, so we used to sit and work here when we had our productive moments.
The first day when we didn't have the suite, we went downstairs to have the meals.
Yeah, to have meals. But when we got the suite, we decided we just would stay and eat in here because it was big enough. Okay, and this area is huge. So we just moved the table to the side and did yoga here because there was more than enough room for both our yoga mats.
How huge this is.
Yeah, it's quite large. So we just did yoga there. And there's this little sit out, which is useful for watching the animals. There are a lot of there are a lot of peacocks and like buffaloes and birds of various kinds.
And Jasmine practiced her peacock making sound.
Yeah, I learned how to make peacock sounds, so this was obviously a very productive trip for me. See, there's like a little buffalo, I don't know if you can see him. A little buffalo down there, making friends with some birds. I'm getting the clouds. Hang on, I want to get the buffalo. It's not happening. There we go. There's a buffalo and some birds making friends, which I thought was quite cute. And the clouds, which are basically just coming down over the mountains now. Hang on, how do I focus this?
Now just step back and get like a
Too hard to focus.
180 degree.
But the hills are really, really lush and green at this time because it's monsoon season. And there is so much greenery everywhere. So it's quite a lovely view and looks nothing whatsoever like Rajasthan.
Yeah.
Our laptops. And this is the bedroom, which is a little messy but a lot cleaner than it was before. There's another little balcony out here, which is nice. We used to sit here and do video calls. Yeah, exactly the same thing. And a huge dressing room and loo.
Show them the bathtub.
Yep, the bathtub is massive. So like plenty of space for luggage and all that. We've already packed, so everything has been put away. But like huge bathtub, like really, really large. Although Grumpy doesn't like it because he thinks it's a little uncomfortable to sit in. Although we never got around to take it. See, this is how big the bathtub is. It's quite large. It's quite large.
There's no back support.
Yeah. So we never ended up taking a bath anyway, so we didn't get to try it out. But huge bathtub. And yeah.
Not like a ceramic bathtub.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice room. We had a really nice time here. And it was super relaxing and everybody was very nice. So now we're gonna check out. Say bye, Grumpy.
In 5 years, when we are having really bad fight, I hope we can look back at this video and remember the good times we've had.
I don't think we'll have to wait 5 years for that.
Bye.
Bye.